That was cool.
Welcome back, y'all, to Jay's Outdoor World. And for today is Mother's Day. And it's snowing. I got 2 days off from it snowing. And now it's snowing again. So it's supposed to snow like this for most of the day. So I think that we're expecting like another 6 inches. So we'll see what happens. But I really wish it would kind of stop snowing, man. Yesterday I was out fishing. I finally got to the lake and it was 38 degrees the whole time I was out fishing. So, boys are good. They're inside. We're watching some YouTube. We're watching the Fab Rats. I watched the Fab Rats and Matt's Off-Road Recovery. And also, the other one I really do like that's an outdoor channel is the Outdoor Boys. So if you haven't checked out all three of them, please go check them out. You might enjoy them. Welcome back, y'all. It's been about 2 hours since the last video. It has snowed probably 4 to 6 inches. I mean, it's up to my, that's a good way you could look at it. Look at the truck. So it is really coming down. I put that out about an hour ago when I was screwing with the batteries. And as you can see, there's about three inches on that. So it snowed about 3 inches in the last hour. So we're just gonna hold out. Keep the tanks. God, man, there's a lot of snow today. Yeah, I came out to do the batteries and there was a scuff on this. So when I came out, it probably looked like that, about 2 hours ago, maybe half an inch. And now it's that. That's the bottom of the kayak right there, so 5 inches. So hell yeah. Whew. We need the snow. Come on, Momo. Come on, boys, you wanna go inside? Yeah, I know, it's cold out here. So last time I videoed, which was an hour ago, I cleaned off the propane tanks and this thing. This thing right here, okay? It has snowed 3 inches in the last hour. Because I did that to it. And I cleared all these off before I went inside last time. So it is snowing a shit ton of snow out here. Which is not bad. It's actually pretty good. We need the snow. It's not that wet of snow though. But I'm debating on I want to keep the generator on. Batteries are all charged. So, whew. So, yep. So the last time we came out here was at 10. Okay, and you can't even see footprints. So I cleared that off. You guys watched me. I did it at like 8, 10, and now it's 12. So there's another 4 inches of snow. I keep wiping this stuff off. It just keeps sticking. Should run out of propane today. So yeah, it is stacking up. Okay, so there's a clear spot right there. It comes up to the top of my cowboy boots. Give you another idea, that much. At 8 o'clock, why are you guys pissing on that? Why are you taking a leak right there on my stuff? So yeah, it's almost, I'd say it's about a foot deep. So right now the generator is not on. As you can see, Mo is my steps off. I can find the damn things. I wasn't expecting this for today. I wasn't even expecting a foot of snow. Boys are having fun now. Anyways, y'all, I'll give an update in a couple more hours, see how much more snow we got. So everybody, what is up? It's over a foot of snow, so I have to do something I don't want to do. I cleaned the back of the kayak off because it was starting to... I got to do something I don't really want to do today. Clean the roof off. Whew. Not the easiest thing, not the most funnest thing, but if we get more snow, the roof could collapse. And I've never really put it in this much snow, so hopefully we don't fall through the goddamn roof. So you guys are gonna watch me do this. Very carefully, hopefully. Try to remember where everything's at. This was the main thing I was worried about. Because I need a new one of these things. Skylight or whatever the hell it is. Got caught up in a bad hailstorm one day. It just don't like life. So, I don't know if you've ever tried to, or if you know how much a skylight is to replace, but they're not the cheapest damn piece of stupid plastic. Okay, good news is solar panels might actually work now. Ta-da! We're done. I mean, you could go around and touch it up if you really wanted to, but most of the weight's off. Now the fun part is all the snow that came off the trailer now it's got to be moved again. Which is actually quite a bit of snow, actually. So I'm watching Ant Canada at the moment. If you guys can hear that in the background. Kind of a cool show. I don't mind it. Okay. So I did make a trail. So I've been kind of busy, y'all. Like I even made a trail. Whew. To the generator. I need to go clean him off. Man, that's a lot. I came in here and I cleaned all this off. Okay, now. Okay. Whew. Roof's done though. A whole bunch of snow just went down my damn jacket, down my neck. Mama, let's go, bud. He's up there in the trees. Moses, let's go. Come on, Wood. My boots are getting wet. Hey, come on. Get out of the truck, Wood. All right. And that is it. Thank you all for watching.